The graph of y equals f of x plus 14 is shown. Which equation defines the function f? So this plus 14 means, because it's outside of the function, if you have a number that's being added on outside of the function, man, the SAT loves these kind of problems. They love numbers being added inside and outside. So actually, I'm going to do a quick little aside here and just kind of show you the basic rule. If I have a function that's like an x squared, it's like f of x equals x squared. If I want to move this up, zoom out and move over. Let's say I wanted to move it up 2. The way you do that, the way you make it so that this thing moves up 2, it doesn't change any other way, you add 2 on the outside of that. If you wanted it to go down 2, want it to go down 2 but stay otherwise the same, you subtract 2. If you want it to move left and right, it needs to be inside here with the x. And it's the opposite. So for instance, if it's to the right 3, it needs to be opposite of it and needs to be in there with that x. If you want it to move to the left 4, so that is moving towards the negative, so that's a negative 4, you put the opposite, x plus 4 squared. If you wanted to move, let's see, go back. Let's say you want to move to the right 3 and up 2, x minus 3 squared plus 2. You can combine them. They love this kind of thing. They love it. They love it. They love it. If you have a number out here, out front, if it is a number greater than 1, in this case, it's going to change the slant, the slope, for a parabola, it's going to change how narrow or wide it is. It's that kind of thing. It transforms it that way. It doesn't move it. It's like, say, if this was a 2 out here, a number greater than 1, it's going to become more narrow. If it's a number less than 1, like 1/2, it's going to become wider. Man, the SAT, they love these kind of problems where they're asking you to move things around on the board. And that's what this one is. That's what it is. So we have this f of x, and it's just a line, is shown. Which equation defines the function? Now let's look at our answers. You'll notice they're all in y equals mx plus b format. And when things are in y equals mx plus b, m and b are just numbers or constants. M is our slope. B is our y-intercept, where it crosses the y-axis. All of these have the same slope. So I don't have to worry about figuring out what the slope of this line is. I just don't. They all do, however, have different y-intercepts. So currently, this previous line was taken and then 14 was added. And we've just said, if you have that number added to the outside of it, not in there with the x, just add on the outside, that number moves it up or down depending if it is positive or negative. This one we have a positive 14. So this line was moved up 14 to end up at 2. So to find out where it originally was before that 14 was added, we need to go down 14 from 2. 2 minus 14 is negative 12. So let's look for the one with negative 12 as my intercept. There it is. A is my answer. Be sure to check out my math-related merch on Spreadshop or Etsy, links down below. And if you found this helpful or useful in any way, please help me help others. Like, share, comment, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.